malutong, crunchy, malutong, malasa, flavorful or tasty, malasa, malinamnam, tasty, malinamnam, matabang, tasteless or bland, matabang, maalat, salty, maalat, maanghang, spicy, maanghang, matamis, sweet, matamis, mapait, bitter, mapait, panis, spoiled, panis, mapakla, an astringent taste like from raw or unripe fruits and veggies, mapakla, mamantika, oily or greasy, mamantika, maanglo, pungent like the smell of goat cheese, maanglo, mabango, fragrant, mabango, mapanghe, the smell of urine, mapanghe, kulob, the smell associated with covered up things, often wet or damp clothes, kulob. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.